Good afternoon and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely fantastic 68 registered Mitsubishi L200 Barbarian automatic. Now this car is finished in the gunmetal grey metallic, which I'm sure you'll agree does suit this particular model very, very well. You see a lot of black ones, but I think grey is just one of those colours which is, as a pickup, commercial style, it's a very easy car to maintain. Give it a wash off and it'll look as good as new. Now the Barbarian comes with this more dynamic exterior, so we get the wheel arch spats, we get the chrome exterior, we get the front titanium grille. So I suppose the last generations of these as they come on these lovely multi-spoke alloy wheels in titanium. Now this car's running on obviously all-terrain tyres, and they are absolutely as new as you can see. 4 of them, all, shall we say, Davanti, so a very good maker tyre, and as you can see they're all-terrain. Now these cars are fully loaded, so they come fantastically spec'd with full black leather interior. We get heated seats, we get the DAB touchscreen radio system, Bluetooth and the media. Now this one's got 2 keys, it's got 2 keys for the roller shutter on the back. We get the fantastic aluminium side runners. You can see all the wheels are in perfect order. Now I've had the pleasure of knowing this vehicle since it was brand new, so it's just 3 years old now. It was a friend of mine and he's had the vehicle for the first 3 years and then has just upgraded it to a new vehicle. Now this car, being the Barbarian, has the keyless entry, so just press the button there, the mirrors open, and then you can climb in the vehicle, and as you can see, that absolutely fantastic black Barbarian interior with the blue mood lighting. Privacy glass in the rear, and Barbarian petrol cap. On all the door surrounds we get the Barbarian signature, which suits the car, complements it well, chrome, silver, satin grey. Now this particular model has the £1,500 mountain top roll shutter, so if you were not to buy this car, or if you bought a pickup without that, it would cost you a further 1,500 quid to buy and then fit it. It also has the rear load liner. Now this vehicle's never been used for commercial purposes, so the only thing that's been in the back of there are 2 or 3 sets of golf clubs. You've got the roller blind there, and that locks shut. Put the cord in, close your rear tailboard. As easy as that. It's not fitted with a tow bar, as I say, it's never towed anything. It's only been used commercial director. Obviously didn't want to pay company car tax, so everybody's buying pickups. Top of the range ones, reversing cameras there, L200. Do like the chrome roll bars, they just set off the back of that truck. So when you think about it, very, very fuel efficient vehicles. You pay minimum road tax because it's still classed as a commercial vehicle. So yeah, everybody likes a Barbarian pickup truck. Fantastic value for money as well, thinking that this is just 3 years old now, and for what you can get for your money is phenomenal. So taking a look inside, we'll see we get the ribbed Barbarian seats. I do like that. They're very similar to that of a Ferrari Daytona style seat. Barbarian stitched on the seat themselves, and it's a 2 contrast black and very light grey leather with a ribbed carbon fibre effect as well. When you open the doors, we get this lovely blue Barbarian sill panel trim, lights up, electric seats for ease. We then get 4 electric windows, power folding door mirrors, traction control, lane departure warning system, which is this here, keyless, so we can just press the button. The car switches itself on as we climb in. We get this lovely Mitsubishi larger screen as well. Keys in my pocket, so up she starts. And then climate control is dual zone, so the passenger can have it at a different temperature than the driver. We come down then, we've got heated seats, automatic transmission. The nice thing about the Mitsubishi trucks are you can have them in a 2-wheel and a 4-wheel, high or low. So generally I drive this in 2-wheel drive, that way then you're not using too much fuel. We've got USB for connections of phones there if you wish, and then we've got the paddle shifts as well, which is quite unique on a pickup truck. Generally they are all just standard automatic headlamps and wipers on the stalks. 39,712 miles as it is here now. Bluetooth phone is on the multifunction steering wheel, volume is there so you don't have to take your hands off the wheel, and we've got a nice auto dim mirror also to boot. Cigarette ashtray, rubbish tray, cup holder, you name it. Now I don't smoke, and I know previous owner, they did not smoke either, so this car smells as fresh and as new. And because it's, as I say, not been used for any commercial purposes, it's just, instead of having a company car, this car is absolutely immaculate inside. Also, we've not got silicone, we've not got paint, etc., which you find with some of these trucks when they've been misused. But this would sit at the side of anybody's prestige car with pleasure. But what a lovely truck. Have a look at that, have a look in there, it's absolutely fantastic. Now let's have a look in the rear of the car, because obviously that hasn't had much traffic either. As you can see there, the seats are as new. They do pop down, you've got a centre armrest as well. Carpets are all perfect. You get the down lighter as well in the nice ice blue. I do like the Barbarian. There are not many pickups that can have an interior as nice as that, whether it be a Ford Ranger, a Mercedes, Nissan Navara. The Barbarian internally and to drive is such a very nice pickup to drive. Don't drive like a truck, they drive more like a four-wheel drive SUV luxury vehicle. Now as you can see, it's in outstanding order. It'll be prepared to the highest of standards. We'll give it its first MOT. I think we've just done that actually, because it was three years old only last week. We will give it the service and everything before it comes to the next keeper. So we have 2 keys for the roller shutter. We have 2 keys for the car. We have the Bookpack. So everything that was supplied new 3 years ago is here today with a 39,000 miles, so not done daft miles whatsoever, on 4 matching grabber tyres in immaculate bodywork all the way around. What more can you say? So if you need any more information or you'd like finance on this, if you're not VAT registered, we can do the VAT and the finance on this, so that's no issue whatsoever. We can take your old vehicle in part exchange. This is a 68 vehicle, so classes for the new inner city smoke zones that everybody's introducing. So it's a Euro 6, so there's no issue there whether you can use it or not. It's got the £1,500 roller shutter, it's got the £500 rear load liner, never been used for commercial purposes, with those lovely set of chrome roll bars. What more would you want? Now we have here at Alpha Motors, we've been doing business over 40 years. We have one of the UK's premier used car showrooms with some of the finest quality commercial vehicles and used cars, very high standard, very high specification cars, all available at Alpha Motors. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, whether it's a pickup truck, whether it's a van or a car or a motorcycle, we can take it on this particular vehicle. Well, let me take this opportunity to thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.